This full moon analogy of Krishna's beauty, Krishna Chandra's beauty with the starlight gopis. This is the analogy which it's in the verse. It says Virochita. Krishna's beauty is so, his beauty is compared to the full moon and the stars. And Jiva Goswami says this indicates their eternal relationship. Gopis and Krishna are eternally related, Nitya Sambandha, like the moon and stars. And the stars are many, and the gopis are many. Millions are there, Maharaj dance, millions and millions of gopis, and Krishna is one. But also, I just commented, I said, as the moon and stars are eternally related in a beautiful relationship of dancing together throughout, just like the moon and the stars, Krishna and the gopis are eternally related in a beautiful relationship of dancing together throughout the darkness of the night. So Krishna and the gopis, they dance, Krishna Chandra and the gopis, the Gopi Tara, Tara means stars, the Tara gopis, even one gopi is called Tara. Her name is Tara. So that Krishna and the gopis are dancing throughout the evenings, just like the moon is dancing throughout the evening sky with the stars. He rises in his movements. The moon is moving from the east to the west, and that's his dance. He's going, dancing across the sky. So it's a very beautiful analogy and visualization that Shukamuni is revealing and Jiva Goswami is elaborating upon. Well, this is also a nice meaning of the word achyuta, because generally the word achyuta has connotations or indications of the Aishvarya, the power of God. God is invincible, all-powerful, never fails, never loses. And this word is also in Gita. Oftentimes Arjuna is calling Krishna Achyuta. But here it has a whole Madhurya aspect, of sweetness. So this Achyuta, this Madhurya meaning of Achyuta is so much more appealing. And that's everywhere. All of the words describing Krishna have the inside meaning and the outside meaning. It's like we say Madhusudana. So Madhu and Kaitab were in the beginning of Satyuga when these are two demons, Madhu and Kaitab. They stole the Vedas from the breathing of Vishnu or Brahma or whatever. And then somehow they stole the Vedas and Krishna became Hayagriva avatar and he got them back. And Sudan means to kill also. So Madhusudan means one who vanquishes the demon. So that's the Aishvarya meaning, the external opulence, Vishnu meaning it. Vishnu avatar Hayagriva, he's known as Madhusudan. But for us, and we see so much rasic explanation of Madhusudan, Madhu means honey or sweetness, and Sudha means nectar. And Madhusudana, Ana means pana, and pana means drink. So it's Madhu Sudha Pana, so you can say. So Madhusudan means one who drinks, one, Krishna, the absolute one, Sri Krishna, who drinks the honey nectar from the gopis' lips. Gopi adara amritam, Radha adara amritam, pibata, ulasayam. He becomes greatly happy by that. So this is, like that, achyuta means one who never fails to reciprocate with the love of his devotees. He doesn't let you down. Oh, she let me down, he let me down. That means failing. Everywhere in the material world, people are failing in love. That sounds a little funny. Because first they say, I fell in love. In the beginning, I fell in love. And then I failed in love. And then I flopped in love. I fell, I fail, I flopped. It's kind of a modern version of Caesar. When Caesar would go to a country, he would say, Veni, Vedi, Vici. Veni, Vedi, Vici. I came, I saw, I conquered. You know this? I fell in love, I failed in love, I flopped in love. That's Chuta. But Krishna is not Chuta. He never fails. He never fails, never falls, never lets his loving devotees down. Anyone who surrenders to Krishna, never gives up Krishna no matter what, then Krishna will always be there for that devotee. Even lovers say that to each other. I will always be there for you. I will never let you down. I will always take care of you. That's nice, very sweet, gentle, kind words. But of course, the obvious, complete forgetfulness of the time factor. I will always be there for you. So this is a superlative which can only be used in relationship between Jiva and Bhagavan. Krishna will always be there for the Jiva, and the Jiva will always be there for Krishna. Achyuta.